"Stop!" cried Lewis. Like Haley said, it's an exclamatory sentence used to display a sense of urgency. You could use this to infer like why he was saying stop. And then as you read on, you can tell that he was crying stop because he was worried about his tadpole that was in the pool. Overall, she did a really good job of annotating this book. I didn't really find anything else that I would have done differently. I think she points out the parts that show how, like when you're reading this, you change your emotions and your tone. I think there's one part about his mom. She talks about how the bathroom, the living room. The living room is not a soccer field. Something is going to get broken. And then it says, and she was right. And she utilized a short sentence to connect back to her point that something was going to get broken. But the way she speaks and then the way like he used those short exclamatory sentences just allow the reader to create their own tone and read it with emotion. And then the ending, let me find it. It ends with, suddenly the stone began to tremble and crack, with an ellipsis. So just like she said, it allows the reader to create their own ending to the story, or like it could be used as like a good questioning book and have students to write like how or what they think is going to happen or create their own ending to the story. Overall, she did a great job.